Now, for the moment, we're actually going to skip over the video tool and move straight to the shape and line tools. And we used these a little bit before, and I don't think you'll be surprised by them. If we click to insert them on the canvas, it will create a shape that we can resize. We've got our rotation, our corners, our opacity, our border, and of course, our color. And then we can do the same thing with the line where we click to place it. We can use the scale handles on either side to change the width of the line. And we've got a thickness attribute here in path properties that if we turn that down, we get a narrower line. If we turn it up, we get something much more pronounced. And then we can change the color of that as well. And occasionally when working with lines, you're going to want a vertical line instead of a horizontal one. And to do that, you actually just come over here to the rotation attribute and change that to 90 degrees. And then you've got a vertical line. And if you need to make changes to the length of that line from there, I would actually recommend that you do it with the width property up here because it's a little bit easier to control. And when you have lines turned vertically, at this moment, Proposify will offset the line a little when you make changes to its length, but that is no big deal because you can just click and drag the line to position it back to where you would like it.